What is going on, guys? This is your boy Cool Matata, a.k.a. Lewis, a.k.a. Cool Matata. Now let's get right to it. This is my earnings with my own vehicle, a.k.a. the Mule, the 2014 Lincoln MKT. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys my expenditures so you guys could have an idea if it's something that is right for you, okay? But without enough blabber, let's get right into the earnings. I have 3 textures for you guys. I found the first one. This is the first one. So as you can see, I have $13.30 for my first week. I did about 10 hours of work and 2 hours and a half of break. Yes, I know I have long breaks. That's how I like it. Then my next week is $13.40. So as you can see, if you do around the same amount of time, you will expect to get an amount in VIA. And that's what I like about VIA. If you know that you worked in the morning and you worked in the afternoon and you worked the same hours every day, you can expect a type of pay at the end of the week. So that my last week, I did $6.42. Now let me explain why real quick. I only worked 3 days in VIA in this week, but actually Thursday I did half a week, half a day. I worked Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now Thursday afternoon I didn't feel like doing VIA because there was a lot of traffic. I know it was going to be super jammed, so I went to Lyft. So in Lyft, in 7 hours, I managed to get $400, well almost $400, which I will make a separate video of that earnings in 7 hours. So if you add that to 642, that's about $1,000 that week. Now expenditures. Let's say average I make $13.30 per week. You multiply that times 4, and that's what I get in a month. Now gas, I average out 120 to 150 per week. You times that times 4 for the month, and that's what I spend on gas. Now, insurance for my personal car, I have full coverage. I have $380 for insurance, right? And what else? Insurance and gas. Oh, and my car payments is $580. So from $13.30 times 4, subtract my gas, my insurance, and my car payments, and that's what I get per month doing 10 hours a day doing a ride share in my own personal vehicle. Now, if you want to try out Uber or Lyft or Via or Juno or whatever it is in ride share, I suggest you do a lease first, because it's, especially short-term leases, because there's no commitment. If you don't like it, just hang in there and just return it once you're done. And then once you're done, then you decide if you wanna do this for a long time. Then you go out there and buy your own car, which I did. But I have more plans for the future. But I'll let you guys know when the time is right. But that's what I win. That's how much I get doing rideshare in my own personal vehicle, in comparison to the lease projects that I did with the Mercedes-Benz and the Avalon and the Altima, a.k.a. the Maximo. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you found this information useful, please give me a like on this video. Consider subscribing, and consider using my links if you want to try out Uber, Lyft, or Via, whatever rideshare I post down in the description. This is Cool Matata. I'll see you next time. Peace.